What if you lived in a city so vast you didn't even know its full extent? Welcome to the reality of our Milky Way galaxy, a city of stars so immense we're still trying to map its full contours. Our cosmic journey begins nearly 14 billion years ago, just after the Big Bang. The universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. As it expanded and cooled, matter began to clump together under the influence of gravity, forming the first stars and galaxies. Among these early galaxies was a small, unassuming one that would eventually become the Milky Way. It was likely a small, irregular galaxy, with few stars and even less structure. But that was about to change. Fast forward to around 10 billion years ago. The Milky Way began to take shape, courtesy of a process known as hierarchical merging. Smaller galaxies were drawn in by the Milky Way's gravity and collided with it, adding their stars to its growing collection. Around 6 billion years ago, the Milky Way had grown into a large spiral galaxy. It was around this time that our own sun was born, in one of the spiral arms. It's been orbiting the center of the Milky Way ever since, taking about 250 million years to complete one orbit. But the Milky Way didn't stop growing. Even today, it's still absorbing smaller galaxies. And in about 4 billion years, it's set to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. But don't worry, chances are, our solar system won't be directly affected by this galactic merger. So what makes up the Milky Way? Well, it's home to between 200 billion and 400 billion stars, along with a vast amount of interstellar gas and dust. At the center of it all is a supermassive black hole, around 4 million times the mass of our sun. The Milky Way is also part of a larger group of galaxies known as the Local Group, which contains about 54 other galaxies. It's just one tiny corner of the vast universe, but it's our corner, and it's teeming with beauty and mystery. To recap, the Milky Way is a vast spiral galaxy that's been growing for over 13 billion years. It's home to hundreds of billions of stars, including our sun, and is still growing through the process of galactic mergers. At its heart lies a supermassive black hole, and it's part of a larger group of galaxies known as the Local Group. The Milky Way is our cosmic city, our home in the vastness of the universe. It's a testament to the grandeur and mystery of the cosmos, a place of immense beauty and complexity. And as we continue to explore and understand it, we can only marvel at the wonders it holds.